Tutorial on how to search copyright-free images on Google. My name is Ramchandra Dhunukshe. I am a lecturer in English at Kusrowadia Institute of Technology, Pune. This video is a part of a task given in the online faculty development program on spoken tutorial technology organized by Shrimati Kashibai Navle College of Engineering, Pune in association with Spoken Tutorial Project IIT Bombay. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to search copyright-free images on Google. First of all, let's understand the need and importance of searching copyright-free images. Web content can be copyright protected. Everything in the public domain is not free. Just because we find an image on Google doesn't mean it is free to use. If copyright protected content is used without getting permission and following the guidelines, such user can be punished under the prevailing law. But the question is how to identify whether a particular image is copyright protected or free to use. Don't worry, here is how we can filter our search in Google. It's simple and easy. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Open your browser, open google.com, type in the search bar the name of the image that you want. I will type public speaking. Press enter or click on the search icon. Click on images. Here we get the images related to the words that we had typed. Go to tools, click on it. Click on user rights. Click on labeled for reuse with modification. If you have observed carefully, the images that we can see now are different than those we saw earlier. As we have filtered our search, the images that we see now are all free to use. Now let's search for Sandeep Maheshwari. Here we go. Let's remove the filter now and keep it on not filtered by license. Look at the result. This clearly means these images are licensed images that cannot be used without permission. Let's search for more images. I want a thank you image to be inserted into my PowerPoint presentation. Here is the result. Let's check whether the filter is on. No, it's not on. Let's turn it on again. Click on labeled for reuse with modification. These images are free to use. Click on the desired image. Wait until the image is fully loaded. Right click on the image. Click on the desired option. I will click on Save Image As. A file browser dialog box is opened. Select location. Check the file type. In this case, it is PNG file. Make sure this file type is suitable for your purpose. It depends on where and how you are going to use it. If this particular file type is not suitable for you, click on cancel and select another image. Now I will click on save. The image is now downloaded on my computer. I can make use of it wherever I want. In this way, you can search free to use images without worrying about copyright infringement. Thank you. Thank you very much.